Last year, Americans ate more than 380 million donuts. Sounds crazy, huh? And with today being National Donut Day, I thought I'd share one of my favorite go-to recipes that highlights donuts in a whole new way. We start off by cutting a dozen glazed donuts into chunks. And if we want to save a buck or two, we can even pick up day-old ones, which are always cheaper and work just as well here. After tossing in some raisins, we pour on a mixture that we made by combining some sweetened condensed milk, a couple of eggs, a bit of vanilla, a little cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Once that sits for about 5 minutes, we pour it into a baking dish, cover it with foil, and pop it in the oven. And after about 40 minutes, we'll uncover it and let it finish baking until the center is set. When this comes out of the oven all bubbling hot, we drizzle it with a 2-ingredient glaze and get ready for some good eating. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for what we call donut bread pudding as a way to celebrate National Donut Day today, or really any day. And if you're wondering how many calories it has, don't ask. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a donut lover's way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You love them donuts.